Hi students, MCQ number 8. In an isochoric process, temperature T1 is 27 degrees Celsius and T2 is 127 degrees Celsius. Then P1 by P2 will be equal to. So this is the easiest possible question in such competitive exams. It is based on isochoric process. So for isochoric process, volume V is equal to a constant. Okay. Then the initial temperature T1 is given as 27 degrees Celsius. So that is 27 plus 273 in Kelvin. So this is equal to 300 Kelvin. Similarly, T2 is equal to 127 degrees Celsius. So this must be 127 plus 273 in Kelvin. So this is equal to 400 Kelvin. If V is a constant means then the pressure is directly proportional to the temperature. This law is called Gay-Lussac's law. Okay, just like Boyle's law and Charles' law. The dependence of pressure on temperature is given by Gay-Lussac's law. So P1 is proportional to T1 and P2 is proportional to T2. Therefore, P1 by P2 must be equal to T1 by T2. So what is T1 is 300 K divided by 300 divided by T2 is 400. Okay, 400. So this is now equal to 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, therefore option C is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.